Edo State Governor Senator Gov Okpebholo don hail Presido Bola Ahmed Tinubu, say even though he meet Nigeria economy for ground, he don fix the mess for just 26 months when he don dey office. Governor Okpebholo yarn dis one for Eastern Central Local Government Area during APC campaign rally for the August 16 Edo Central Senatorial by-election. He praised Presido Tinubu policies wey dey make the economy stable again. The governor come still talk say the Presido support make am fit do plenty achievements, especially the big road project approval wey him get when him still be senator. Say for just 9 months for Senate, him get Presido Tinubu approval of 130 billion to build Ekpoma Auchi Okpela Road, something wey PDP senator before am no fit do for 8 years. Governor Okpebholo come talk say as he enter Senate and later become governor, say him quickly follow Tinubu renewed hope agenda sake of say he see say the Presido get special love for Edo State. He come still here and say Presido Tinubu tell am make him repair roads for Edo, say government go pay am back. He say dem don start work, say as rain stop, road construction go full everywhere for the state. Oga Okpebholo come beg Edo people say make dem continue support Presido Tinubu, say if he win again for 2027, better go still reach Edo and the whole country.
Our people, why are they gathered today? Look at all the canopies. The elderly fathers, our mothers, they are all here. Why? Because we are sponsoring. It's Uwesa that is sponsoring him. Uwesa has brought out another person to replace their son and take over the seat where their son just came out from. The seat of the Senate of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Today, I am happy to present Joe Ikpeya to my people. This is the man that does not talk too much. He doesn't know how to lie. Few words, many actions. 9 months at the Senate, I was able to redeem the tears of Esalang, the Ekpoma Benin Road. Today, Joe is here again to represent Esa people. We carefully selected him because we know he does not lie, he does not talk too much. Now, on Saturday is the election. By the grace of God, we must win that election. When Joe wins, Uwesa has won again. Joe will come back to Uwesa to tell Uwesa people thank you. Joe is not here to campaign to Uwesa people. It's me he followed to tell Uwesa people thank you once again. Because we are very appreciative of what they have done. They stood by their son. Now, what is the next thing to talk about? Our people have also come to tell them that I, your son, has promised Mr. President 2.5 million votes. 2.5 million votes. I promise that by the grace of God, come 2027, we are going to deliver that vote to Mr. President. Our people, are we people in agreement with me? The president we have today, if Nigeria had had 2 of such presidents, Nigeria would have been like America. He has been able to stabilize our economy.
We came to say thank you. Thank you for all the support. We thank you for the last governorship election, and we know that this coming one, you are going to even say bigger thank you to our father, brother, the governor of Edo State, who has shown us a direction and that direction is Ikpia for Senate. APC!
On the system, that's you never voted now. I've voted in there. Don't ever vote now. You the employment, as you want another day. You don't know working. It was I don't have working another day. That's the point. On the 16th, 100%. 199%, like 9 years now. But God bless you.
Make una no forget, say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We know they take blame. But he fame or no see more. TMC News.